Ever wish you could start your car from inside your house on a cold winter morning or a scorching summer day? Well, you can with remote engine start. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this awesome feature step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check if your car has remote start. First, make sure your vehicle has remote start capability. Many modern cars come with this feature, either via the key fob or a smartphone app. Check your owner's manual or look for a button with a circular arrow icon on your key fob. Step 2. How to start with a key fob. Press the lock button once to ensure the car is secure. Press and hold the remote start button usually for 2 or 3 seconds. Wait for the lights to flash or the engine to start. You may look, vehicle lights will flash 6 times when engine starts. Some cars require quick presses of the lock button before holding the remote start button. Check your manual for exact steps. Step 3. Using a smartphone app. Many newer cars let you start the engine using an app like My Chevrolet, Ford Pass, Toyota app, or My Hyundai. Here's how. Open the app and log in. Select remote start from the menu. Confirm the command. Some apps require a PIN or fingerprint. Wait for confirmation that the engine is running. This is perfect if you're inside a building and out of key fob range. Step 4. Safety and shut-off rules. A few important things to remember. The car will usually shut off after 10 to 15 minutes if you don't enter and press the brake. Doors stay locked until you unlock them with the fob or app. Never remote start in a closed garage. Carbon monoxide risk. And that's it. Now, you can warm up or cool down your car before you even step outside. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.